Marerecommend ko ba daw ang aesthetic clinics? Yes na yes. Why? This is a growing business here in the Philippines. And sa ganitong klaseng business, you're not selling yung mga pampapayat o kaya pampaganda. Ang binibenta mo dito is confidence. Karamihan sa mga tao, they wanna look good, they wanna look younger, they wanna be confident, and gusto nila magkaroon ng transformation sa buhay nila. And yes, a lot of people really invest on themselves. That's the truth. And here's the thing. Once they want to invest on themselves, nagiging monthly routine na po ito nila. At pag naging monthly routine na to nila, nagiging income po ito para sa mga aesthetic clinics. So ano nga ba yung mga produkto ng aesthetic clinics na to? Ito yung mga regular nila. They have acne treatment, whitening procedures, slimming, at marami pang iba. Iba pa doon yung mga rhinoplasty, liposuction. Depende naman yun sa kakayanan ng isang clinic. And of course, sa licenses din nila. But as you can see here, what if naging monthly routine na ito ng mga babae, ng mga customers nila? For example, ang isang babae ay gumagasto ng 5,000 pesos per month para doon sa mga treatment nila. What if lamang? So, ibig sabihin, sa 12 months na yun, or sa isang taon, gumagasto ang isang babae ng 60,000 pesos para sa mga ganitong klaseng treatment. Again, dahil gusto nila, they will look good, younger, confident, and they'll have transformation. Now, going back, if gumagasto ang isang babae sa isang taon ng 60,000 pesos, what if yung clinic mo may 100 na customers sa isang buwan? I-times 12 mo, that is 1,200 na customers sa isang taon. And I am talking about new customers. But what if itong mga customers mo ay bumabalik-balik na sa'yo? Now, let's go back. 60,000 times 1,200 na customers sa isang taon, 72 million pesos na pwedeng kitain sa ganitong klaseng business. Pero, baka naman sabihin nyo, uy, masyadong malaki. Alam nyo, marami pang kakaltas dyan. Operational expenses, doctor's fee, professional fees, and a lot more. So, hindi yan neto agad ng isang owner. But as you can see, malaki talaga yung potential sa ganitong klaseng business. And the good thing about this is that marami kang magiging repeat customers, plus yung mga repeat customers na yun ay magre-refer pa sa'yo ng mga tao. Now, paano nga ba makapagsimula ng ganitong klaseng business? Siyempre, ang gagawin mo lang is, like what I always say, position yourself in the market. You build your website. Bakit kailangan ng website? Siyempre, we're talking about procedures. And kapag may website ang isang business, mas nakaka-build po ito ng trust sa mga tao. You need to have social media presence. You need to have a system na kung saan na meron kang onboarding and offboarding ng mga customers mo. Of course, kung pwede mong ma-automate yung pagpa-follow up sa kanila kasi on a monthly basis, pwede kasi silang bumalik-balik, 'di ba? And of course, retention plan. You have to think kung ano yung mga ways para bumalik-balik sila sa'yo. And of course, invest on marketing. In this business, you need to build trust, reputation, results, really good results, because from here, you will have good feedback. You need to partner with skilled professionals, and of course, a very good customer service. So again, marirecommend ko ba ang ganitong business? Of course it is. It's a growing business here in the Philippines. It's all over the world. A lot of people want to look good. A lot of people want to be confident, want to look younger. So, yung mga may pera, they are really taking advantage of this thing. So, if you have the money, you know how to operate, you know how to market, then try it. Yun lang. Bye!